What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, welcome back to the South India series. On this fresh morning, we woke up in Coonoor and we explored the area before hitting the road. As you can see, our surroundings were so tranquil. I had not stopped drinking tea since we arrived. It was addictive, so I wanted to just walk through the tea estate we were staying on and see where it was all coming from. So much green. We had a quick breakfast and then we packed the car to leave because we had to go pick up a special someone who was joining the crew. He's been demoted to the back.
Yep, that's me.
See, that's Aaron. We like Aaron. Aaron's cool. And new founding member, Pratheek! Hi, Pratheek. Welcome. And no, okay, cool. Moving on. So we're leaving Coonoor.
I don't need
and we've had a great time.
I don't need an introduction because you all already know me.
Unfortunately, we do. Rohit's getting stressed because we're not giving him directions. We're just hogging on the snacks. Some sweets, maybe 4 sweets.
Okay.
Just any mixture you think is nice. Anything else like mixed snack? Are you feeling peckish? You've come to the right place. Eisha's Eatery. Woo! Do you want? No, these are boring, just regular chips. You don't want that. Do you want wheels? Cookie wheels. Jackfruit. Banana chips.
Honey cake.
I'll do. Congratulations.
Put it in camera, please.
Oh.
Oh my god, drop the laddu like big time. Cha, put it in camera, da.
This is what we have when a celebration, right? In India, or like a wedding or something.
Diwali.
Uti was really, really nice. Actually, the best thing about the past couple of days was the train journey because the view that it took from Coonoor to Uti was so pretty. So many different flowers. I wish we could have stayed there for longer. There was like so many. We could have gone trekking and like just endless fun is there in nature. The wildlife is really nice, and actually it was nice we got to meet with Mr. Pratheek Ali. When we were going through the national park, we were discussing loads of stuff about wildlife and the wild animals in that area, and he had all the answers for us because obviously he's an expert. He's quite passionate about wildlife, and that was what I took away from Coonoor and Uti. So sad to leave, we're going to have to go back ASAP. But for now, we need to start this journey because it's going to take us about 7 hours to reach there. And when we reach there, we can enjoy Munnar. So like I said, the journey for the day, it was a long one, but it's known to be an incredibly beautiful route through tiger reserves and a wildlife sanctuary, just heaven for nature lovers like us. making a funny noise, so we stopped to figure it out. When I say we, I mean Rohan. He was the mechanic. I just chilled out and got a drink until it was fixed. We got back on the road and we drove through the most gorgeous area. It felt desert-like. The boys wanted to take drone shots. As usual, the locals were keen to check out what all the fuss was about. Whilst they were busy with that, I made some friends.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry.
Areas like this are nothing like what I was used to in Mumbai or Delhi. The buzz of a metropolitan city, it's fun, but the feeling of being lost in the middle of nowhere here on the way to Munnar, it was just exhilarating. I just breathed and took it all in before we hit the road again. We still had miles to go.
Hey, Pratheek, say hi.
Annamalai Tiger Reserve is home to all kinds of rare and endangered exotic wildlife. Over 950 square kilometres of tropical jungle, shola forest and grassland. I was buzzing for this. Did I tell you we almost got mugged whilst driving through?
Oh my god, guys.
There's nothing.
Why is taking coins?
He's taking my paper.
Rohan!
Jump off. Jump off.
Start the car. I'll take my wallet and...
No, get wallet, get wallet.
Take the wallet. Go.
Stop in this side. We'll open the door.
Has he got anything?
What do you think, bro?
We made it out the Tiger Reserve with all our personal belongings intact, thank God. And then we just pumped the tunes. I think this was the moment Pratheek realised what he'd let himself in for. We made a lot of stops during the day to explore, and that was the fun of it really. We didn't feel too obliged to stick to a strict itinerary. What was most important was just enjoying everything we encountered on the way. But it meant that we didn't reach Munnar by evening. So we just stopped to spend the night in Marayor, which is just over an hour away from Munnar. We found a small lodge, and when we were checking in, the owner recommended a fun nightly activity for us. These are what I'll be dangling out the window on the night safari tonight.
So what's our plan for tonight?
We're gonna lure in the tigers and the leopards. We're gonna chuck bones out the window, and then I'm gonna be on the roof. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Are you tired?
No, how can you be tired before an adventure? Safari time! So, what are we gonna see? Tigers, leopards, elephants?
Elephants mostly they see that.
Yeah?
Leopard mostly not see that. By chance. Okay?
Maybe, hopefully.
Maybe
I'm
chance.
hoping.
Yeah. God is help for this by chance.
Yes, we want to see leopards.
Yeah. The journey started at 11 o'clock.
11? So 11 p.m.?
Sorry.
Cool, thanks. Okay. We're ready to go. We didn't see much more than that. It was a shame, but honestly, at this point, we were just exhausted and ready to hit the sack. And tomorrow was another big day of exploring. Next time. watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for the next video to see what we got up to in Munnar. Bye for now.